Hi everybody, today we're going to keep working on 3MD8, which is how to find the perimeter of a regular polygon. And today we are going to be focusing on rectangles. Remember that we learned that the perimeter of a shape means the distance all the way around a shape. So if you take a look at our shape right here, it says to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, so that's asking us to find the distance all the way around the shape. But today you'll notice that they didn't give us the side lengths on every single side. So we can use some of the things that we know about shapes to help us figure it out. One thing that we know about rectangles are that they have opposite side lengths that are the same size. So we know that if the bottom of this rectangle is 8 centimeters, that the top of the rectangle is also 8 centimeters. Okay, so I'm going to make a text box. I'm going to drag over here and try to make it the right size. You don't have to get too fancy, but if I know the bottom is 8 centimeters, I also know the top is 8 centimeters. Okay. If I know that the right-hand side of the rectangle is 3 centimeters, then I also know that the left-hand side of the rectangle is 3 centimeters, so I'm going to make a box for that as well. Okay. So now that I have my missing side lengths, it's going to be really easy for me to figure out the total perimeter because all I have to do now is add up all of the sides to find the total. I'll have to play with that later. All right, so I know I'm going to just take my little marker here so that you can see my thinking. I know that 8 plus 3 equals 11, and I know that this 8 plus 3 equals 11. So 11 centimeters plus 11 centimeters equals 22 centimeters. So I know that my total distance is 22 centimeters. I'm going to try to put this into an equation. Drag my box down here. Okay, so now I have to add these up. 8 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 3 centimeters equals 22 centimeters. And to make my box smaller, I'm going to click, hopefully. Then I can just drag it from the corner. And I'm going to slide it into my box. Oop, this is one I forgot to add her label. When you are doing perimeter, it's very important when you're using measurement to always label it. So we don't want to just say 22. We want to say 22 centimeters because we're actually adding centimeters. All right. That is your job today. So you can use either the drawing tool or the texting tool to be able to make your numbers and to be able to add to find the total of every single side of your centimeters or of your rectangles. Just remember the rule of a rectangle is the opposite sides are always equal. So for this one, if the bottom of this rectangle is 7, that means the top of the rectangle is also going to be 7 inches. If the left-hand side of this rectangle is 5 inches, the other side is also going to be 5 inches. So good luck, and let's see what we can do. Thank you.